Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning or afternoon, Mistika and everyone. I will present my review of the journal article application of face recognition in online academic application, written by Budi Tri Utomo, Iskandar Fitri, and Eri Mardiani, published in 2021 in the journal Teknologi Informasi dan Komunikasi. Let's start with the problem. Students frequently struggle to log into their online academic systems. This happens because of three things: forgetting complex, randomized passwords, frequently mistyping long credential strings, and repeated failed logins that waste time before class or exams. So the idea is simple. Replace type credential with face recognition login, face, real time, and biometric. This leads us to the research objective. The goal is to design a real-time face recognition-based login system for an online academic application as an alternative to conventional username and password login. The system is built using three core technologies. First, hard cascade classifier for real-time face detection. Second, LBPH algorithm for texture-based face recognition. Third, OpenCV, an open source image processing library. Okay, now let's look at the workflow. The system works in four steps: camera, face detection, face recognition, and finally, login output, success or fail. For training data, the specs are image size 480 by 680 pixels in JPEG format, a minimum of 20 face samples per student, converted to grayscale before storage, and used to train the LBPH recognition model. As for how each method works, Hard Cascades classifies image regions as face or non-face. LBPH compares facial texture histograms to the stored database. And OpenCV handles the image processing pipeline supporting Python, Java, and C++. So, what were the results? On the side of what sorry on the side of what worked well, real-time detection and recognition of student faces, accurate under sufficient lighting with no obstructions, and the hard cascade plus LBPH combo prove effective together. On the side of the system struggled with it failed when the face was covered, such as by a mask or paper, and it failed to recognize faces in low light or dark condition. Let's move to the strength of this study. 1. Practical solution, more convenient than remembering complex passwords. 2. Open source. OpenCV keeps development costs low with no paid license. 3. Real time. It processes recognition through the camera with no significant delay. 4. Relevant topic. It aligns with real academic needs and current AI and biometric trends. 5. Clear explanation. Diagrams and result images make the system easy to follow. Next, on the other hand, here are the weaknesses. 1. No accuracy data. No quantitative accuracy percentage is reported which makes it hard to evaluate objectively. 2. Limited testing. It was tested only on a single subject, the author, not a diverse group. 3. Sensitive to condition. It fails in low light or when the face is obstructed. 4. No security discuss no security discussion. There is no mention of protecting stored biometric face data. 5. Outdated method. Since this is from 2021, LBPH is now surpassed by deep learning methods like FaceNet and DeepFace. Okay. Uh, Next is conclusion and recommendations. To conclude, HAR Cascade plus LBPH successfully enables real-time face recognition login under ideal conditions, but struggles with low light and facial obstructions. Based on this, here are 4 recommendations for future research. 1. Report quantitative accuracy across a larger, more diverse group. 2. Test under varied conditions, low light, different face angles. 3. Explore modern deep learning methods such as FaceNet and DeepFace. 4. Add a dedicated discussion on biometric data privacy and security. Okay, that concludes my review. Thank you very much for your attention and see you later.